This is how it looks when it is packed. This is the 1000 denier PVC coated travel cover. This is our branding. The Mammoth XL awning is finally installed. We tighten it with this ratchet strap. So it has a huge amount of coverage right from the front of the vehicle. It covers the entire side, and we have built-in LEDs, 4 total LEDs built into the awning. Drop-down integrated poles. You simply drop down like this. In case of winds, you can deploy all the poles present on all arms. These guy lines, which you can easily clip onto this part or on the corners in case of rains, so the water can flow down from here. 12-volt LED connectors which power all these 3 lights. So full 270-degree wraparound coverage. It covers the entire backside of the car. We also have an extra flap over here, so no sunlight can enter even from the back. These small poles to lift the fabric so that the water drains off over here as well. Velcro strip running across all the edges, all the sides of the awning, so you can attach additional walls and enclose this entire space.